Hey there, today I have an Old Navy haul for you. So it's been a while since I shopped at Old Navy, but you know, I've seen some haul videos that looked pretty good, so I thought I'd check it out. So I went online and I thought I found some pretty good deals. They had some sales going on, which Old Navy seems to always have some sales. And I noticed they also have a lot of petite sizes. So, you know, I thought, okay, well, I'm 5'1". I'm also 58 years old, just for reference. So I'm looking for stuff that are petite friendly and also age appropriate, so not too young. But anyway, I thought I found some pretty good deals and I just thought I'd share them with you. Okay, so first off, I got a pair of jeans. These are the high-waisted OG straight ankle jean, and I got them in a size 4 petite in the color faded black. And my price was $28.99, and the regular price on these was $44.99. Yeah, so I don't really have a pair of jeans in this particular wash, like this black, which is just kind of faded. I have another pair of black jeans, but it's just a very clean, dark black. So I thought this would be a nice look, like monochromatic with a black t-shirt, and I thought that would look nice. But just thought I'd try these. They are kind of a nice straight cut, and the fit is okay. The length is all right. They're high rise, but they're not like super high rise. They're probably right about at the belly button, I would say. And the denim is a nice weight. It's thicker or heavy. And there is a little bit of give to it, but not like super stretchy. I kind of prefer it to be a little more stretchy, to be honest. I find that for me, it's a little bit more flattering. So yeah, I would say these are pretty nice jeans. The fit was okay, and the length was perfect. And of course the price was like under $30, which is very cheap for a pair of jeans. So I'm really thinking about keeping these. I'm not really sure though. Okay, next. I got this sweater. And this is the So Soft cable crop cardigan sweater. I got it in a size medium petite in the color Oatmeal Heather, and it was $39.99. And this one I didn't actually get on sale, but I thought it was so cute. I just wanted to get it. I like that it's kind of a cropped length. Yeah, and like, you know, I think for a petite person, this is a very flattering length for a sweater. I also thought it was kind of cute that, you know, it has this kind of a cable, but it's petite, like petite cable. Yeah, so I thought this was cute. I like this color. I think it's kind of more of a fall appropriate color, and it is a very, very soft sweater. I don't know what it's made of, but it just does feel pretty high quality. Yeah, I really like this. This is something I definitely think I can see myself wearing, and I was actually thinking of maybe checking out the other colors. I do think this is for me a keeper. Okay, next I got these joggers. And these are the high-waisted Power Soft joggers, and I got them in a size medium petite in the color Blackjack, and they were $19.99. So I got them basically half off, and I did decide to get the medium. I'm usually a small, like a size 4, but I don't like my athletic stuff to be too tight. The material on this does feel kind of nice. It says it's a Power Soft jogger, and yeah, I would say it's pretty soft. And for $19.99, that's a really great price. And I can see myself wearing these. Maybe like I walk the dog every day. Also, I think this would be good for like travel. You know, I like to wear joggers, especially on the plane. So yeah, I thought these were very nice joggers and kind of a good find. Okay, and next, I got this top. Okay, and this is the Power Soft Support crop top. I got it in a size medium, so I didn't get a petite in this just because I don't want it to be too short, and color tan, and it was $14.99. And I got this one 50% off. The regular price on this is $29.99. For this one, I think I'm gonna have to take it back because just getting into this thing was a struggle. I don't know why. It was just like hard to get in and hard to get out of. Maybe also it does have like a whole shelf bra thing going on with these little pads, and they're kind of like not enough support for me. I would want to wear a bra, but yeah, I mean, it looks nice once you get it on, but it's just a struggle. I don't like to struggle. I got something very similar actually from Uniqlo. I did a haul video. I'll link it up above. Looks almost like this, but that one was just a regular t-shirt. It didn't have all this support stuff, and that I can get in and out of pretty easily. So yeah, anyway, I think this is a not keeper. Okay, and next I got a skirt. Okay, and this is the extra high-waisted power soft skirt, and I got it in a size small, so not a petite, and I got it on sale half price, $17.49. So the regular price on this was $34.99. I thought this was a pretty cute skirt or skirt. It does have like the shorts underneath with a little pocket here. I guess you can just put your cell phone. No other pockets. So I don't know, I just thought I'd try this. I really do like this color, but not sure if I'll be keeping it. Yeah, let me know what you thought. I mean, if it looks age appropriate. I think it might be too young for me, honestly. Okay, and next, I got this very oversized hoodie. And this is the So Comfy Oversized Zip Hoodie. I got it in a size small petite and in the color dark mauve, and I got it for $19.97, and the regular price on this was $39.99. I was thinking that this could be a good jacket for like when you're like traveling and just on the plane, because it's so big, oversized. It's really comfortable. It's also cozy and warm, but it's huge, right? And it's a small petite, but I guess it's supposed to be oversized. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm kind of on the fence. Okay, and lastly, I got a couple dresses, and I got like a gray one and also this black one. And these are the ruched midi dress. I got the gray one in a size small regular and the black one in a size small petite. I just wanted to see what the difference was between the small regular and the petite. And I got them for $24.49 each, and the regular price on this was $34.99. Yeah, so I thought this was kind of a nice looking dress. I mean, I don't really like anything that's bodycon because I don't like anything clingy, but since it had this ruching, you know, I thought it would kind of be more flattering. And sometimes I do like just to get a regular size dress, and it looks, if it's a midi, it ends up being almost like a maxi, and I kind of like that. But yeah, the gray, I think definitely the proportions didn't look right. It just didn't. So I think this one will definitely be returning. The small petite though, the black one, I thought was really nice. And I don't really have a really nice black dress. I'm surprisingly, right? I'm looking at my closet. I have a lot of these like just t-shirt dresses or whatever that's black, but nothing that is like a dressy dress that's black, surprisingly. But yeah, I thought this was nice. It's 60% rayon, 40% recycled polyester and machine washable. I felt like it was pretty flattering. Also, what I like is this is something you could probably take on a trip. So if you do go on a trip, like say you go to cruise or something, this could be a nice dress to wear on one of the, I think, formal nights. Because the formal nights aren't the same as they used to be. It's not as formal, but this could work. I think anything black makes it a little more elevated. The only problem I had with this dress was that it was a little bit of a struggle to get in and out of, but honestly, you're not going to be wearing this dress that often. It's not like an everyday outfit. So I think I'm really considering keeping this dress. But let me know what you guys think if you thought it looked nice. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Old Navy haul this time. So let me know what you guys thought of the clothes. For me, I'm not sure exactly what I'll be keeping. I thought there were some definitely hits and some misses and a lot of things that were kind of like I was on the fence about. So I'm gonna think about it. But what I like about Old Navy is that they have a lot of petite sizes. Also, it's pretty affordable and they do have a lot of sales. So you can get some pretty good deals. As far as returns, I think you have 30 days to return. So, you know, that's pretty standard. And I can either take it back to the store, or I think you can do the return online and they generate a label. I'll probably just take it back to the store and hopefully I won't end up buying more than I return, but we'll see. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video, and now I'm gonna get one of my 2 furry companions to help me say goodbye, and I'm gonna see if I can find Lily this time. Okay, and here is Miss Lily. Yeah, and I found her in her favorite spot. She was lounging by the window. Yeah, she loves to do that. I think a lot of cats actually like this thing called Cat TV, which is like a YouTube channel. I was thinking of trying that for Lily, but for now, she just likes to like stare out the window, and she's fine with that. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Bye.